on today's episode, try and brighten things up. The horn on the Jeep, it is all stock and needs to be changed, but we're not going to change the stock horns to new stock ones because I got myself a train horn that I'm about to put in this thing. These things right here, I'm going to be replacing the stock horns with, as well as brake lubricant that I need to put on because my brakes are starting to seize, which will be in another episode, but I'm going to go ahead and be putting these in today. Alright guys, so I got the stock horns out. It was just held in by one bolt and they're just plugged in right there. They sound pretty good, but I'm going to go ahead and install this baby, which has a plug. Is it the right one? I just got the pump all wired up. I'm about to test it right now without the horns on, just to see if it works. Mounted, and well, they're not going anywhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up, make this look all neat and stuff by putting it up here. I'm gonna make a screen right here to protect the horns from any road debris. Alright guys, so I just got the horn all hooked up. I got all this metal plating here to protect it, and the hoses are all in there.
Ready?
No, I want to get out of the way. Hey. Oh God!
Oh yeah! Oh, that's great!
That's insane.
Yeah!
If you were moving, you know that's it's called called like the Doppler effect. You know, that's how I see this car going now.
Should I do that?
No.
I'll go down the block. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. That was great. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to try and pack up as quickly as possible and clean everything. And I'll see you guys in the next episodes.